Welcome to the Dump Truck Toolbox. I'm Alan, and today we're going to look at what's involved in making a ride-along video. So I'm driving down the highway in this, and it's definitely more interesting than seeing my talking head telling you what's going on with trucking. And you may say, well, why haven't you been doing this all along, Alan? Like most professional drivers, my key job is to get down the road safely, to protect myself and my vehicle, to protect the drivers around me, and to protect the people on the construction sites and in the material yards. So for me, filming in the truck poses a potential safety issue. And it's not the filming, it's my mind being on the filming and what I'm saying and so forth. I consulted with a friend who is a professional video producer for a cable network, and the solution we came up with was to use a fixed GoPro camera. In this case, it's mounted to the rear window inside the cab of the truck, and then to do a voiceover after the fact. This allows me to keep two hands on the wheel, two eyes on the road, and my mind on my driving. So I first tried this on a day when I was hauling asphalt, and got some images that I think are interesting and I hope informative. I did a video a couple of weeks ago of a hauling tail on carrying hot rock. And I think you'll agree that it's much more interesting to see what it's like to go through an asphalt plant than to see me merely talking about what it was like to go through an asphalt plant. There was a big flaw in my plan to use a fixed camera, and that is you can't see everything going on around the truck. So that same day when I was hauling asphalt, I came to the job site and maneuvered the truck around and backed up to the paving machine. And in this video here, I'm actually being pushed by the paving machine, and raising and lowering the bed, asphalt's coming out. It's a pretty exciting time. And all you can see is a very, very rough image in the backup camera. So that experience showed me that I do need to move the camera at some point during the day. So this is a different truck, different day, different job site, and I'm hauling sand instead of asphalt. So I'm backing up here, getting ready to dump. The backup camera on this truck is even less visible. But the solution I have is to flip the camera around on a later run, actually leave the mount in the same position, but have it pointing out the back of the truck. You may say, this doesn't seem to be much better. Well, give it a moment. It'll get a little more interesting. Bed's going up, the tailgate is unlocked. In just a second, the sand will start coming out. The truck is being pushed forward by the sand. So this is the working solution I have. It does cause some issues on the back end in terms of continuity and syncing up the sound in the images, but those are things I think I can work on. And in the near future, I hope to have two longer videos, one on a hot rock ride along, another one on a sandpit ride along. And going ahead, I hope to have some images from the truck in every video, even if the focus is on something that may not be well represented by having a picture out the windshield. If you found today's video useful or interesting, please like it. Join the dialogue by posting your comments below. And as always, please be safe out there. And I hope to see you again soon on the Dump Truck Toolbox.